Good morning, my name is Diana Tovar, estudiante del segundo semestre de Pedagogía Infantil de la Corporación Universitaria del Caribe. Present Perfect Activity. Questions. Number 1. Have you ever gone to Machu Picchu? Two. Have you ever played the guitar? 3. Have you ever taken over 1,000 pictures just in one day? 4. Have you ever met a famous star? 5. Have you ever done exercise at the beach? 6. Have you ever gone skiing? 7. Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? 8. Have you ever drank tequila? 9. Have you ever driven a car? 10. Have you ever read Harry Potter? 11. Have you ever found money on the street? 12. Have you ever learned English before? 13. Have you ever run a marathon? 14. Have you ever eaten tacos at home? 15. Have you ever spent over 15 years in your office? 16. Have you ever gone the Great Wall of China? 17. Have you ever bought and phone before? 18. Have you ever swum with dolphins? 19. Have you ever lost your wallet? 20. Have you ever slept on your laptop? Thank you so much.